my friends, welcome to this market commentary with Axiory, and of course we have to start with oil, because oil yesterday created huge bearish candle, one of the biggest candles, bearish candles in the recent weeks. There is a fear that we reached a global peak demand for oil, and from now on we will just have a bearish trend. Let's see what the chart is telling us. Well, the chart is telling us that we're gonna have a downtrend, but so far in the short term and mid-term. And the reason why I'm saying that is that the price yesterday managed to break the mid-term uptrend line and the horizontal support on $88 for the barrel. Of course, this is Brent oil. On WTI, we managed to escape from the channel up formation to the downside, but here still we are above support on $84 for the barrel. As long as we stay above, there is no proper signal to sell, but the breakout of the yellow support will give us a signal to sell. So on oil we had a drop yesterday, but on indices we had an upswing even despite terrible ADP employment change data that we got during the day. Yesterday indices reversed, and let me show you Nasdaq, for example, because Nasdaq created double bottom formation, and here we are waiting for a further rise. S&P 500 is escaping away from 38.2 Fibonacci, which I think is a key support for S&P 500 for the midterm situation. And let's look in Europe, because DAX created a hammer candle yesterday and is trying to come back inside of the wedge pattern, because breakout to the downside from the falling wedge was a display of huge weakness, and now we are trying to reverse that. Price coming back inside of the wedge will still be negative, but not as negative as dropping out of the wedge to the downside. Coming back to Nasdaq, you can see that it's head and shoulders pattern here, although the neckline is not really clear. Let's say the neckline is here, so we are still defending the neckline, and only the price, well, we still have it's still far from a major buy signal. Maybe the breakout above the, let's say, yellow horizontal resistance, that will be positive, but the long-term buy signal will be triggered only when the price will break this purple line. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your trading.